Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll be looking at the third example of summary writing patterns, and particularly we'll be looking at the comparison contrast pattern. Now, as you have been shown the summary passage itself on the screen, we will go into the question and answers proper. Question 1 says, summarize in 5 sentences the arguments against man going into space. Now, sample answers include 1. Astronauts do no harm. Number 2. Going into space provides entertainment. Number 3. Space flights are exciting. And number 4. Rich nations can afford it. And finally, number 5. It is better than wasting money on luxuries and harmful projects. Question 2. In 3 sentences, 1 for each, summarize the points made in support of sending man into space. Answer 1 includes astronauts do little good. 2. Space project is too expensive. 3. These are more urgent. There are more urgent things to do on Earth than going into space. Now, please remember once again that these are just sample answers. They do not have to agree word for word. Yours do not have to agree word for word with mine. So please remember, we don't have the same vocabulary, and your own ability to paraphrase differs from mine. But remember, there must be a meeting point between our answers. Thank you.